What's up, guys? Next pack opening. Today we're doing another Phantom Rage. I have a whole box and I'm just gonna do one every couple of days or so. So let's see what we get. And I hope you enjoy me putting the pricings on the screen. I get all my pricings either from TCG Player or this other website. I'll have to look it up at some point, but yeah. So our first card is Mutant Cry, or My Mutant Cry. I just call it Mutant. Mahama the Fairy Dragon. Raid Raptor, Heel Eagle, simple art style. Tri-Brigade Oath. And looks like we got a dual avatar feat Kokoku. Nice little monster. Don't know what he does at all. Tri-Brigade Nerval. Penguin Brave, cute card. UA Player Manager. Virtual World Gate Gwyn. Yeah, that's a weird. Cool art though. Cool art. Alright. And that is about it for that one. We got a nice little holo there. And yeah. Subscribe for more. I'll be doing these videos a lot more often, and yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.